Abba Kyari made me governor. I will immortalize him in Imo State. Those are the words of Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State. Senator Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, have said he will immortalize the late chief of staff to President Muhammadu Buhari. The governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, in a statement by his chief press secretary, Ogunwike Nwachukwu, mourned the death of Alhaji Abba Kyari, the chief of staff to the president who passed on yesterday night from COVID-19 complications. The governor, who described Abba Kyari as a hard-working gentleman who was so passionate about his work. Governor Hope Uzodinma assured that Imo people will immortalize the late Abba Kyari over the pivotal role he played in his emergence as governor of Imo State through the Supreme Court. Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari's chief of staff has died after contracting the novel coronavirus, the presidency said on Saturday. Buhari's office announced in a statement that it regret to announce the passage of Abba Kyari, who acted as a gatekeeper to the president of Africa's most populous nation. That is a true confession coming out from the mouth of Imo State, the Imo State governor, Hope Uzodinma. We all know how he came into power with the controversial judgment that was given by the Supreme Court, sacking the elected governor of Imo State in the person of Emeka Ihedioha, and instating Hope Uzodinma as the governor. Up to today, the Supreme Court have not come out to tell the nation how they arrive at such judgment, because Nigeria would like to know. And with that being said, Abba Kyari's death have revealed a lot of things in this nation and a lot of rot and corruption in high places. Remember yesterday, the Kano State governor sacked his commissioner of works in the person of Muazu Magaji for celebrating the death of Abba Kyari. And today, we are now hearing the confession of the Imo State governor, Hope Uzodinma, saying that he is going to immortalize the late chief of staff to the president, the person of Abba Kyari, in Imo State, because he is the person that made him the governor through the Supreme Court. That is a bombshell. And I wonder, I just wonder how a governor will come and say such a thing. I will leave that and I will go to the reactions of Nigeria towards this. I will be sharing them with you. Someone said, that means you were not voted by the Imo State people. Your days in office are numbered. His days is numbered for real. Another comment said, attention, consider this. He used Supreme Court to remove PDP candidates from office, and God used COVID-19 to remove him, Abba Kyari, from office. Let us be upright and have the fear of God in our actions. I think so. Let's be upright in whatever you do. Because if you are upright, this nation will be better. Another person said, I hope Father Mbaka is hearing this. That is a blast to the very Father Mbaka that say he prophesied the victory of Hope Uzodinma, that claimed the praise for that. And he has been branded as the APC prophet. Another comment here said, you are not elected governor of the people, rather Fulani terrorist governor. Nigerian politicians have no shame. If there is any honor left in Uzodinma, he won't have made such comment. It's very obvious you have not immortalized your father. You have not honored Uzodinma. Don't rejoice in pride, because God that dealt with Pharaoh is very much alive. Till your term in office ends, Imolite will never regard you as their governor. Shame on you. That is the bitter truth. That is the bitter truth. Now, the truth has surfaced. Imolite didn't vote for Hope Uzodinma. He was imposed on Idimo. It's obvious he who pays the piper will dictate the tune. Northern agenda is a blueprint all the way. Oh my God. Why will Hope Uzodinma say such a thing, even though if it's truth? Another comment said, this confession came too soon. So finally, it was not the voters in a democratic government that made you the governor. You should immortalize him in your family compound, not anywhere in Imo State. That is a big one to Hope Uzodinma. Nnamdi Kanu say that this coronavirus will expose many things. Now it has started with the death of Abba Kyari. To Hope Uzodinma, he said that Abba Kyari made him governor of Imo State through the court, that he will immortalize him in Imo State, like Okorocha in his time immortalized. Please, Imolite, please check him, his family member and associate, their coronavirus status now. He reveals the truth. Abba Kyari exposing a lot of debt in the government. Another comment said, sir, thank you for confirming that you were imposed as Imo State governor by the presidency. So further truth is needed than this. You have also confirmed that you are a mandate snatcher. God forgive you. Amen. Oh, God should forgive him, because I don't think he knows what he is doing. Imagine Hope, that didn't win a single local government election, is a governor today. Nigeria, we hail. Ha ha ha. That is too bad. I'll take in the last comment here. He said, if only you had won the state election, this your comment would have crossed the bridge. But you ended up making it clear that Abba Kyari helped you rig the position by removing the people's choice. Imo people, take note, the truth has been revealed. That is just the truth. And I will say thank you to Hope Uzodinma for coming out to make this confession and for telling Nigeria how fraudulent and how corrupt this presidency and this Buhari administration is, and how far they can go to achieve their goal. And Hope Uzodinma is one of the case studies that Nigeria will never forget. If somebody that came fourth in an election automatically became the winner. Up to today, the Supreme Court have not explained how they arrived at that judgment. We are still waiting and we want to know how they arrived there. And Nigeria will never forget this day. And maybe that is one of the reasons why people are happy and rejoicing over the death of Abba Kyari. But that being said, my people, you can also be part of this discussion by sharing your thoughts and your opinion with us at the comment section. Thank you, and keep keeping informed with our Awakes Network.